Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can use calculator in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. Some of you may not know even where is calculator in your phone and how to access it. By following this demo video, surely you can understand that you can easily use calculator for any purpose, like doing some hard functions, also some of the big digit addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, whatever may be, some mathematical functions that can be easily accessed, that can be easily done using your phone itself with use of calculator feature. Okay, so how to go? Just go to the home screen, and here you will be seeing one icon, calculator. Yes, this is the icon. Just click it, and here you can do the calculation using interface given. So for example, for simple calculation like 585 multiplied by 68, yes, you can do it. Okay, this is multiplication, and for division also it's available. I do division now, and AC means it's clear, all clear. Okay, and if you want to for undo, use this cross symbol. Okay, and I use some addition like that. Okay, this is simple calculation. Suppose if you want to have scientific calculator, yes, you can do it. Okay, click here, and it will go to the scientific mode. Here you can access many functions, many scientific functions, like scientific mathematical calculations. Okay, suppose if you want to have cos theta, sin theta, tan theta, yes, you can do it. Okay, so there is all clear. Here is all clear, and now I use cos h 38. Yes, that is the result here. So the complex mathematical calculations can be done using the scientific calculator. Here I show here root 584. Okay, and I do something power something. Yes, that can also be accessible here. Okay, so these are only scientific calculations. So here I also factorial also is available. For example, 5 factorial, if you want to know the value of 5 factorial value is 120. So in this way you can easily use scientific calculator as well. If you want to use simple calculator only, then click here and it will go to the simple calculator. Okay, this is simple calculator mode, and if you click here, it will go to the scientific calculator mode. So in this way you can easily use both simple calculator and scientific calculator in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.